presenting the Dodge 2017 Grand Caravan GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include ABS and driveline traction control, radio data system, cruise control, front fog driving lights, 4-door, body-colored grille, front shoulder room, 63.7, rear view camera and door pockets, driver and passenger. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.